They want to Mama Jesus, Afamobo, Madam Teresa, all the way from a bagana. A woman of great poise and class, unlike some people beside me.
I have poise, I have class.
Well, you seem to like it because clearly your feet is on the chair.
But I'm Teresa, on a totally unrelated note in Abamanya.
Excuse me?
I've been watching you for a long time.
Ajabi Heka Baganya, my dear.
I have a thing for older women.
You have a thing for older women?
What
about your mother?
Oh, come on now, come on.
Oh, come on. Come on, beginning, because I am your mother.
I get missing her now today. But I'm Teresa, I like you.
Let us move on to why we're here. This is dialect exchange. Oh, yes. And of course, in dialect exchange, I'll be speaking ANAMBRA dialect, and my guest will be speaking...
I'll be speaking the refined NKANU IGBO from Enugu people.
When I'm refinery in Enugu.
Don't be yabbing my
refined
people.
About it.
Igwe Shinevo.
Please introduce yourself, my wonderful guest.
Hello guys, my name is BARZINI, aka Mr. Mobodo, aka Bazinwa. If you're feeling funky, call me Bazi Baby. But I'm Teresa, say Bazi Baby. Say Bazi Baby.
Barzi.
Say.
Oh, I like that. Say Barzi. The first statement that we are going to be, talking about is, have you taken a bath?
Okay. You've taken a bath, I say.
Body being aru.
I think Eji makes it more, it's more intentional. More
Eji makes it more intentional.
Yes, Eji. It's not Eji. Yes, Iwaru will just know, just ban in the shower.
Okay, no, so Saji Kenasa. The next statement, because it's raining.
It's raining.
So what do you say?
Mirinaja.
Mirinaja,
yes.
Jakanachu.
Mirinaja, not ja.
Okay, Mirinaja.
No, Naja.
Oh, Naja.
Yes, Mirinaja.
I don't know how our dialects differ this much. Because I'm like, in our place, something like that would sacrifice Aja. I need to go no. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. So what we say is Mirinezo.
Mirinezo is quite central. Many people will say, but the deeper part of Nkanaga saying that
Ojawago, Ozobago is what we'll say. Hey, what's the alright? Totally unrelated. Isiga begin kaya.
But there is something in a feeling. But there is, age is just a number.
Age is just a number, indeed. Indeed. So, Mama, the next word. A woman of excellence. A woman of great poise and value. Why not get born like this? Who is that?
A woman
in a good way.
A woman that goes and comes.
Of course.
Is that you?
That is me.
That's why I like you. That's why I like you. Why are you
at this point? Help me, Lord.
Honestly.
Let us move on. And trust me, so yes, if I know number, is wine.
Wine, okay. Anybody know wine, but the deeper part of our language, I got wine. Njomu. Look at the madness. Njomu. That is women. They are calling you.
Njomu.
Yes.
I don't know what is
Njomu.
Ha. Because you're not being wine. Oh yes, because I'm wine. But I'm Njomu.
You want to be my Njomu?
Thankfully, I would never be your Njomu. The next is, where are you?
Where are you? Ndebino. Our own method of inquiry.
Ndebino. So it's like a what for you people?
Yes, like
what, where, who kind of thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Hang on, Kedebino.
Yes. I think Ndebino is more original.
More original, yes. Indeed. Probably in that side only. Maybe I'm not ANAMBRA. Yeah. The class and points. The undeniable.
You
do agree, don't
why
you?
Are
you meeting on Or are you daft that you can't realize?
I'm meeting at Koro.
Well, we've already met here. I think that's enough. So now we'll be going on to the next statement. And the next statement is, pay me my money.
Pay me my money. Kwamogwam. Yeah, Kwamogwam.
Kwamogwam.
Kwamogwam. Kwamogwam.
Well, that is very, very in short, if not the same thing that we say. Yes, because what we say is Kwamogwam as well. Kwamogwam. Okay, what does that imply?
That you are about to pay me my money.
Okay.
Because there's an urgency.
Yes.
That you are paying it finished now.
Okay. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us on Dialect Exchange.
Thank you, guys. My name is Barzini. Bazinwa.
That's okay. That's okay. You interrupted me earlier, but I'll let it slide.
I apologize.
I'll let it slide.
I told you I'm a gentleman.
Of course you. Oh, she's falling for me. It's okay.
Why am I gonna cut the accent? Why am I gonna cut it?
Let's just
live action.
Let's continue. Let us continue. Okay. I'm Madam Theresa Memboji, all the way from Abagana. Thank you so much for joining us. Cody.
Shout out to you guys. I don't switch.
Oh yes.
Yeah, baby. It's the Obodo. That's me, baby.
Oh,
that's me, baby. That's me, baby.
That's enough. That's enough. Okay. I'll be back at you.
Come down, you are talking to Mobodo.